How to add someone on Telegram with QR code. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to add someone on Telegram with QR code. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch Telegram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top left. From this menu bar, tap on Settings option. You will navigate to this page where you will see QR code at top right. Tap on it. So this is the QR code of your Telegram account. In order to send this to someone, you can easily first modify this QR code using different kinds of filters and tap on Show QR code once done. Now here you can easily choose any social media platform. For example, for the demo, let's select Telegram only. Now choose a particular group or simply person and long press on them and tap on the arrow button at bottom right. Now you will see the preview of your QR code. You can even crop it or edit it and add a caption. Tap on the send button at bottom right once done. And then the QR code will be successfully sent to this users or group. Now once they receive it and if they scan it using Telegram or another QR scanner, your profile will appear and they can connect with you instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to add someone on Telegram using a QR code. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.